Hello everyone, just want to give everyone an update on our potato towers and my son's garlic, onion, potato, and chive garden. Here are our towers. We got our cute little colorful globe solar lights, and our towers are doing well after about 4 weeks. We're starting to get leaves, and I'll show you the ones that are growing the most. Our last 2 we planted. You hear the roosters because it's a beautiful morning. And my children planted some flowers, some dianthus and marigolds. Here's our potato towers. Here we are going towards my son's garden, and it is blossoming well. Here's some of his potatoes, and I'm gonna go a little closer so you can see the garlic right here. He worked really hard on this, and he's very, very excited on how well it's doing. This happens to be one of his first big gardens that he tilled himself by hand, and everything is looking good. So he's out here every day checking on it, watering it. Very nice to see, get the kids into planting, help them to know where their food comes from and how you can grow it yourself. And some spinach in this vertical garden, and that's how it is in our little pot garden. Just figured I'd sneak this in, and we transplanted some cauliflower, and this cauliflower will be transplanted into the tilled garden once it acclimates to the soil. And we plant over here, and we transplanted from our greenhouse our tomatoes that also will be transplanted into our garden once they get acclimated and a little bit bigger, a little bit more mature. We hope you guys enjoyed this short update, and looking forward to showing you all in a few weeks how everything's looking.